Hey folks, welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating ways nature is responding to our changing world. Have you noticed robins nesting in your attic lately? You're not alone. This isn't just a quirky coincidence. This curious behavior is more than just a nuisance, it's a sign of bigger changes happening on Earth. Let's dive in and uncover the reasons behind this phenomenon. Shifting habitats are a direct consequence of climate change. As our planet warms, the natural landscapes that animals depend on are transforming. Our little red-breasted friends, the robins, are feeling the heat, literally. Warmer temperatures are altering their traditional nesting grounds. Warmer temperatures are pushing them to seek shelter in unusual places like your attic. These birds are adapting to survive, but their new choices are telling us something important. But it's not just robins. Many bird species are changing their behaviors in response to the shifting climate. Seabirds, for instance, are arriving earlier in the year because of warming oceans. This shift affects their breeding cycles and food availability. And it's not just birds. Polar bears are moving inland to hunt because the ice they rely on is melting. These majestic creatures are being forced to adapt to a rapidly changing environment. Now, why should you care? These changes in animal behavior are more than just interesting observations. These changes in nesting and migration patterns are nature's way of signaling something's wrong. It's like a natural alarm system alerting us to the broader impacts of climate change. Imagine the Earth's climate as a giant puzzle. Every animal's behavior is a piece of that puzzle. When pieces start shifting, the whole picture changes. Check out this graph to see what we mean. When pieces start shifting, the whole picture changes. Check out this graph. It shows a clear link between rising temperatures and changing migration patterns. It's pretty alarming, huh? The data doesn't lie. But understanding these patterns helps scientists predict future changes and find solutions. By studying these shifts, we can develop strategies to mitigate the impacts of climate change. So, what can you do? Start by paying attention to your local wildlife. Your observations can contribute to a larger understanding of these changes. Notice any changes in their behavior? Are birds arriving earlier or nesting in unusual places? Share your observations with wildlife organizations. They rely on data from people like you. Citizen science is a powerful tool in tracking and understanding these changes. Share your observations with wildlife organizations. They rely on data from people like you. Your contributions can make a significant difference. Let's hear from an expert. Dr. Jane, an ornithologist, explains that birds' nesting changes are like nature's alarm clock going off. Birds' nesting changes are like nature's alarm clock going off. It's a clear signal that we need to pay attention to. It's time for us to wake up and take action. We can't afford to hit the snooze button any longer. Remember, every little bit helps. Whether it's reducing your carbon footprint, supporting conservation efforts, or simply spreading the word. Small actions can lead to big changes. Together, we can make a difference. Thanks for watching. Your engagement and awareness are crucial in this fight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how we can help our planet. See you next time. Stay curious and stay